Have our front door right here. To the right, we go to the bathroom. Very bright, probably this faux marble, could be real, who knows. Long mirror right there. Got this bright lights around the mirror. Traditional Hilton amenities. Vanity kit, lotion. Come over here, we got the toilet with some art room. And then we have the shower, pretty tall shower. Got the amenities there. Shower head, double shower head. Very clean, very nice. Good job, folks. Come over here. This closet has a sliding door with some robes. Irons there. And then we move into the room. We still have this granite or whatever you call it here. And then we have a big bed that's pretty high up. Seems very tall. Big bed here. Got the textured wall with a little bit of lights. This thing slides. I don't really know why. It gives you a little bit of a gap, but it doesn't go all the way through. I don't really know what that's for, but it's there. Maybe, yeah, night light or something. Good size TV. And then we have this right here, Keurig, one water bottle. Maybe mini fridge here. Yes, mini fridge here with some creamer inside, keeping it cold. We have our desk. 2 chairs. We're going to check out the view. They say street view. Boom. I see some pizza down there. Angelo's, if you look up, you got one of those super slender Billionaires Row buildings. Lots of traffic. Another Hilton Club property right there. This is the room, folks.